Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to log out of Messenger. So to do that, let me show you, head over to your Messenger application and go to the three lines icon on the top left corner. And here go to the settings icon. And if you scroll down slowly, you won't find the option of logging out. So to log out, there is another option. Head over to your Facebook application. Make sure you have logged in into the same account as your messenger. And then head over to the three lines icon on the top right corner. Then go to your account. Or you can just scroll down and go to settings and privacy drop down box. Here go to settings. Here scroll down until you find the option of activity log. And here scroll down until you find security and login information. And here you have to go to where you are logged in. And here are the devices in which you are logged in. You have to just tap on the three lines icon and tap on logout. And this will allow you to log out of the Messenger account. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.